Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about maintenance on draper headers. So behind me is a 5300 draper header. What I'm going to talk about will also apply to all the 5400 series. So when you're getting your unit ready for silage or for harvest or whatever, there's a few main things that will help you get it ready a lot quicker. First thing is open the doors on either end of the header and check your sickle drive. A lot of times there'll be a seal leaking on that sickle drive that you can have the seal on the motor replaced by the guys in service. Also check your knife head down there. There's a little plastic bushing in there that a lot of times wears, along with a bearing on the bottom of the sickle drive. Make sure that that's all tight. If it's not, it's going to try to hammer itself apart. So just a quick check, open those doors, have a look. With regards to your canvases, take the canvases, loosen them off, find yourself a block of wood or something that you can prop up a hole so that you can get the canvas lifted up and get your hand in beside that roller, and then you can check the bearings, both on either end and on the drive rolls, that you can check them to make sure that you don't have a bearing issue there. Last thing, check your hydraulic motors, and then have a look on your pickup reel at the cam track. Sometimes the components on the cam track will start to come loose, and then basically what happens is the reel drive tries to eat itself. So it's just a quick check, either visually or take a wrench and just make sure that those bolts are snug. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.